Hey guys, it's Kiki, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 18 hacks to study productively and basically how to make your study productive. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. The first hack is to be clear of what you need to do. This basically means make a to-do list so you know exactly what you need to do during your study. The second hack is to track your time. Knowing how long it will take you to do something and how long it should take will help you stay on track and will make your study productive. The third hack is to create your own deadline. Creating your own deadline and forcing yourself to finish something before it is actually due is surprisingly helpful in making your studies more productive. The fourth hack is to plan ahead. Knowing when everything is due and planning at least a week ahead will help you keep on track of everything from homework to assignments and exams, and in turn will make your study more productive. The fifth hack is to have a minimalist study space. Always make sure that your study space is clean and clear your desk so you only have the essentials. The sixth hack is to only have the stationery you need on your desk. This means get rid of any unnecessary books, pens, highlighters, and any kind of stationery, unless you absolutely need it to study. The seventh hack is to use the Pomodoro Technique. Basically, the Pomodoro Technique is 25 minutes study, 5 minutes break, repeat 4 times, and then a 15 to 30 minute break. When taking breaks, make sure to do so away from your desk or study area. The eighth hack is to have a snack. When studying, snacking on some brain food like nuts or fruits will help you stay productive and motivated to study. The ninth hack is to drink plenty of water. Water is definitely a must-have when you are studying because it keeps you hydrated and it is actually proven to maximize your brain power. The 10th hack is to listen to study music or ASMR. Being able to control what you hear will help you stay focused, and listening to music helps you concentrate and study better. The 11th hack is to use mind maps. Using mind maps has so many benefits because you can see all the information in one place. This is great when you want to list things about a topic or if you want to brainstorm some ideas. The 12th hack is to rewrite your notes. Sometimes having messy notes that are hard to read can make studying very difficult and in turn will demotivate you. So rewriting your notes and summarizing them will help make studying more productive. I have many videos on how to make your notes neat as well as how to write your notes, so I will link the playlist down below. The 13th hack is to read upside down. Okay, so this sounds kind of funny, but if you find yourself blankly looking down at your textbook or notes, try reading it upside down so you actually concentrate on each word. The 14th hack is to get rid of all distractions. Obviously, distractions are never helpful when you're trying to study, so get rid of your laptop if you can and turn your phone on silent. The 15th hack is to make sure you are motivated. Lacking motivation is one of the biggest reasons why your study may not be productive. I actually have a video all about this, so make sure to go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. The 16th hack is to have a positive mindset. When studying, make sure to always have a positive mindset because if you think negatively while studying, it can severely impact your productivity. If you guys want a video on how to stay positive about studying, make sure to comment down below. The 17th hack is do not multitask. Multitasking may make you feel like you're accomplishing a lot, but it is not beneficial whatsoever and should be avoided at all costs. The 18th hack is to get enough sleep. Always prioritize your sleep over anything and make sure you get at least 8 hours sleep every day, because this is probably the easiest yet the most effective hack on this list. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I would really love it if you guys could let me know if you think my videos are too short and if you guys want me to start filming longer, more detailed videos like this one. But as always, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what video you would like me to do next. Bye guys, happy studying!